Having the right string trimmer can completely change your trimming experience. Today's video is on the top 5 best cordless string trimmers in 2023 through extensive research and testing. So, you'll never have to suffer through poor trimming quality or cutting quality. I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Fifth on my list is the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max string trimmer and edger. This versatile tool easily converts from a trimmer to a wheeled edger, making it a 2-in-1 powerhouse. With its power drive transmission, you'll experience increased torque, ensuring a clean and precise cut every time. The 2-speed control feature provides the option for more power when needed or extended runtime for lighter tasks. The trimmer's line diameter is 0.065 inches and it boasts a 12-inch cutting swath, making quick work of even larger areas. One of the standout features is the easy feed system, allowing you to advance the line with a simple push of a button, eliminating the need for bumping. It's hassle-free and efficient. Being part of the 20V Max system means you can use the same battery for multiple tools, making your outdoor tasks a breeze. And as a member of the Power Command family, this trimmer comes with the Easy Feed, Power Cut, and Power Boost features, addressing common user frustrations. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max string trimmer and edger is a reliable, easy-to-use tool that offers both trimming and edging capabilities. Its power and convenience make it a valuable addition to any outdoor enthusiast's toolkit. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. Fourth on my list is the Ego Power Plus 15-inch string trimmer. This trimmer is exclusively compatible with the Ego Power Plus Powerhead PH1400, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. The package includes a rapid reload trimmer head, making line rewinding faster and easier than ever before. No more frustrating tangles. With a generous 15-inch cutting swath and a professional-grade 0.095-inch cutting line, you can expect nothing short of professional-grade results. The bumped head line advancement further adds to the convenience and efficiency of this tool. The Ego Power Plus 15-inch string trimmer is built to withstand the elements with its water-resistant and weather-resistant construction. The aluminum alloy gear case adds durability, while the brushless motor ensures powerful and efficient operation. Using genuine Ego parts is essential to ensure compatibility, quality, and top-notch performance. Don't compromise on subpar substitutes. Overall, the Ego Power Plus 15-inch string trimmer is a reliable and high-performing tool for tackling your outdoor trimming needs. Its rapid reload trimmer head, weather-resistant construction, and professional-grade cutting line make it a strong contender for any outdoor enthusiast. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. Third on my list is the Worx 20-volt cordless string trimmer and edger. This versatile tool easily converts from a string trimmer to a wheeled edger in a matter of seconds, providing you with the flexibility to tackle different tasks effortlessly. The innovative push-button command feed spool system ensures instant line feeding, eliminating downtime and frustration. And the best part? You get free spools for life, so you'll always have a fresh line at your disposal. The Worx Power Share feature makes this trimmer and edger compatible with all Worx 20-volt and 40-volt tools, giving you the freedom to use the same batteries on multiple devices. With 2 powerful and lightweight 20-volt Power Share Max lithium batteries included, you can trim and edge on sloped terrain and reach tough-to-access areas with ease. The adjustable design allows you to support and guide the edger, resulting in straighter lines and cleaner cuts, without the risk of damaging plants, landscape features, or lawn ornaments. Overall, the Worx 20-volt cordless string trimmer and edger is a reliable and efficient tool for maintaining your lawn and garden. Its easy conversion, command feed spool system, and compatibility with other Worx tools make it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. Second on my list is the Greenworks 40-volt cordless string trimmer and leaf blower. This fantastic combo kit will transform the look of your walkways and driveway, keeping them clear of overgrown grass and weeds, boosting your curb appeal effortlessly. The string trimmer is a powerhouse, effortlessly cutting through even the toughest grass and weeds with its 12-inch cutting path and quick auto feed head for easy line advancement. On the other hand, the leaf blower offers powerful performance with its 390 CFM airflow and 110 mph airspeed. The variable speed trigger with cruise control lets you control the airflow when needed, making your clearing tasks a breeze. With an ultra-lightweight design and superior ergonomics, you'll experience reduced user fatigue, allowing you to work comfortably for longer periods. Starting up is as simple as pushing a button, and the included 2.0 battery recharges in just 60 minutes, ensuring you're back to work in no time. With up to 45 minutes of run time, you'll have plenty of time to tackle your outdoor tasks. Overall, the Greenworks 40-volt cordless string trimmer and leaf blower combo kit is a game changer for maintaining your outdoor spaces. With powerful performance, easy operation, and eco-friendly features, it's a must-have for any homeowner. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. At last, first on my list is the DEWALT FlexVolt 60-volt max string trimmer. This trimmer is a true powerhouse, thanks to its gear drive design, which effortlessly powers through tough overgrowth, leaving your lawn looking pristine. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, this cordless grass trimmer maximizes runtime and motor life, ensuring you can tackle even the most demanding tasks. With a 15-inch cutting swath and a 0.080-inch line, you'll cover more ground in less time, making your trimming sessions efficient and effective. The variable speed trigger with high-low speed control adds versatility, providing you with the option for added power or extended runtime depending on your needs. Weighing in at a lightweight and ergonomic design, this trimmer maximizes control while minimizing stress on your arms, so you can work comfortably for longer. Built to withstand heavy-duty usage, the DEWALT FlexVolt 60-volt max string trimmer is engineered for durability, ensuring it stands up to everyday challenges. Overall, the DEWALT FlexVolt 60-volt max string trimmer is the ultimate choice for any outdoor enthusiast. Its powerful performance, efficient design, and durability make it the top pick in our list. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information.